Hey guys, so this week I'm going to make two videos. Video number one, I'm going to talk about what the expectations are. And video number two is going to continue to go in detail on how to make your assignment. So this is the first video, and basically this week we're going to learn how to make a kaleidoscope effect. Now, if you're not sure what a kaleidoscope is, I wanted to show you, it looks very much like this. It's a toy a lot of children use when they're younger. You look into this little hole here, and there's a bunch of mirrors inside and a clear item at this end, so that when you're looking through the kaleidoscope, you see really cool replications of neat images like all of these pictures that you see below. The thing that you need to do prior to doing this assignment is you need to download two images. As you can see, the first image, you need to pick something that has one item. So if you, like I love flowers, so I picked one rose. If you like skateboards, please make sure you only pick one skateboard that is centered in the image. The second thing you need to download is some sort of bubbly, sparkly, replicating image like this. I had to download a few of them until I found the right one that I liked that went with my image. So that might actually take you a few times. But once you feel like you have the right image, you need to make sure you have the individual one plus your second layer of a kaleidoscope type of effect. All right, so let's head back here. This is an example of what I expect out of your assignment. You're going to have your main item that was already there. I'm going to teach you how to make replications of your item like so. And then I'll teach you how to put that second layer, which you kind of know from the double exposure anyway. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to go back to square one as if I was starting this assignment from the beginning to show you what I've done. So obviously you go to pixlr.com. We're going to go to advanced pixlr. We're going to open an image, and you want to open the first picture that you downloaded. Again, you can, zoom in or zoom out to make your image larger or smaller if you'd like. So the first requirement is I'd like you to play around with the color and the sponge tool. That's going to be right here, this sun. When you click on that, it's going to change your area here where you can increase or decrease the vibrance, saturation, or temperature. You can increase or change your brush size or softness. You can also increase the strength, which is very much like the opacity. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to increase the vibrance because I like things to be, really bright. That's what I'm going to go for with my rose. So I'm kind of making it brighter, as you can see. Let's see. Maybe on the outside, I'm going to decrease the temperature and probably make my brush size a little bit smaller. All right. So the strength isn't that high, but you can see it's making it a little more blue on the outside and a little less green right here. So just kind of taking out some of that greenness. All right, so once you mess around with your saturation, vibrance, and temperature, and you kind of get a vibe that you like, the next thing you're going to do is you are going to play with the clone tool, which is right here. The clone tool basically just picks up a picture of your image, and it's going to stamp or replicate or clone your original image. So when you click on that, you'll notice how this area changes. Source means what are you picking up? Paint means what are you stamping or cloning? So our video is about to end, and I will continue to show you how to use the clone tool in video number 2.